Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I welcome all of you, and today I'm going to review wireless mouse. It is worth of use, very good mouse. It is wireless, and this is company Maosi wireless optical mouse. Basically this came from China, and it is the version X Craft Track 1000 MJ027, and its range is 2.4 gigahertz wireless mouse. So basically from anywhere in the house you can use it, track it, and you can see it's I bought it for approximately $50 from Amazon, and you people can also check for it. And now I am going to unbox it. First of all, the capability windows are Vista, XP, 2000 OS X, so you can actually use it in MacBook as well and Windows as well. So now I'm going to unbox it. Here is the unboxing. So what we get? Oh yes, it is mouse. Oh, it looks very good. What else we get? And here we get USB. So first of all you have to plug this in your PC or whatever laptop you are using, and then you will get a connection for it. So you connect it and then you can use. And here it comes with the cell. Below this there is our cell. If it expires, then you can repair it or put another cell so it will gain worth of use. And its range is very good. Now I will show you if it's good or not. It looks very good. Its style is very efficient, new, modern. Yeah, it's very good, and it's very look good in hand. Oh, I'm feeling it. So I will show you now how to use it and connect it and install on your PC. So it's very look good and compatible in small hands as well, and good.